Hey guys, this will be a short, quick video of a walk around of my new 87 R10 I picked up and a quick update of the 83 C10 that been featured on this channel previously. I'll be taking off those bumperettes and getting rid of that tube grill. That's a little too 90s for me, to be honest. The 83 sitting over there looking pretty. It's a TBI 305 and a 700 R4 transmission. 87 is the first year of the fuel injection. That's kind of why I wanted this pickup, and it being low miles with only 41,000. Now a quick update on the 83 C10. I installed a new steering wheel that matches the overall theme of the interior a little better in my opinion. More chrome, black, goes with the silver and everything as well. You'll be seeing a lot more of this pickup on the channel as time goes by, and along with the 87 there's quite a few things that it needs done to make it more my style. But I added some pictures of the steering wheel teardown and install. If you have any questions, just shoot me a message, comment. I'll get back to you as soon as I can.